Right now, at this very moment, your muscle cells are quietly disappearing. Did you know that starting from your late 20s, you lose 1% of your muscle mass every single year? What's even more alarming is that after age 50, this rate doubles. Imagine two 20-year-olds today. One spends hours on the couch scrolling through social media, while the other maintains a consistent exercise routine. They might look similar now, but 30 years from now, they'll be living completely different lives. The hidden secrets of muscle. Muscle isn't just tissue that generates force. Did you know it's actually your body's largest endocrine organ? Every time your muscles contract, they release special hormones called myokines. These hormones travel throughout your body, suppressing inflammation, enhancing brain function, and even inhibiting cancer cell growth. A 20-year Harvard Medical School study revealed something extraordinary. People who exercised consistently from a young age had 40% less beta-amyloid protein accumulation in their brains compared to sedentary individuals. This protein is directly linked to dementia. What this means is that every workout you do today is like an insurance policy, protecting your memory 30 years from now. When you exercise and feel your heart racing and breathing intensify, do you think it's just fatigue? Something incredible is happening inside your body at that moment. Cardiovascular transformation. When your heart rate elevates during exercise, your blood vessel cells release massive amounts of nitric oxide. This compound dilates blood vessels, improves circulation, prevents blood clot formation, and reduces arterial inflammation. The healthy blood vessels created in youth become lifelong shields protecting you from heart attacks and strokes. A Swedish study following 1 million people delivered shocking results. Those with high cardiovascular fitness in their 20s had 70% lower rates of cardiovascular disease 40 years later, compared to their unfit peers. Simple activities like climbing stairs or brisk walking can produce these remarkable effects. The bone bank account. Here's a startling fact about bone health. Your bones reach peak density around age 30, then gradually decline. Women face particularly rapid bone loss after menopause, dramatically increasing osteoporosis risk. But the bones of people who consistently did weight-bearing exercise in youth are different. Physical stress from exercise stimulates osteoblast activity, creating denser, stronger bones. It's like making deposits in a bank account. When age-related bone loss begins, the bone density accumulated in youth significantly reduces fracture risk. An Australian 25-year study found that women who exercised regularly in their 20s had 50% lower hip fracture risk after age 65. Metabolic magic. Exercise's impact on our metabolic system is truly magical. When muscles use glucose, a special pathway activates that allows glucose absorption without insulin. This is called GLUT4 translocation, and exercise-trained muscles maintain this ability for extended periods. People who exercise from youth show dramatically improved mitochondrial number and function. Mitochondria are cellular powerhouses that decline with age, leading to increased fatigue and metabolic disease risk. But exercise-conditioned mitochondria can maintain energy production capacity equivalent to 30-year-olds even at age 80. Canadian researchers published amazing findings when they analyzed muscle tissue from 75-year-old lifelong exercisers. Their mitochondrial function was superior to sedentary 25-year-olds, the fountain of youth for immunity. Exercise's impact on the immune system is remarkable. Regular moderate-intensity exercise enhances immune cell activity, suppresses chronic inflammation, and increases infection resistance. The changes in an organ called the thymus are particularly noteworthy. The thymus produces crucial immune cells called T cells, but shrinks rapidly with age. However, lifelong exercisers maintain remarkably youthful thymus function relative to their age. King's College London studied 125 cyclists over age 55. Their immune system age averaged 20 years younger than their chronological age. Mental health shield. What about exercise's impact on mental health? Exercise releases endorphins, natural painkillers, and happiness hormones. But that's not all. Exercise increases BDNF production in the brain, a neurotropic factor that promotes new brain cell growth and strengthens connections between existing cells. People who exercise from youth maintain superior learning and memory abilities, even as they age. Even more remarkable is exercise's regulation of cortisol, the stress hormone. For modern people suffering from chronic stress, exercise serves as a natural stress reliever. A 30-year Norwegian study found that people who exercised consistently from youth had 40% lower depression rates and 50% reduced cognitive decline risk compared to sedentary individuals. Sleep quality and hormonal balance. Exercise's impact on sleep cannot be overlooked. Regular exercise normalizes melatonin secretion rhythms, reduces time to deep sleep, and improves sleep quality. Good sleep patterns established in youth tend to persist throughout life. Quality sleep promotes growth hormone release, consolidates memories, and strengthens the immune system. Exercise also helps maintain hormonal balance of sex hormones, like testosterone and estrogen. This plays crucial roles in muscle mass maintenance, bone health, and overall vitality. Real-life evidence. Studies of people living healthily to 100 reveal interesting patterns. Most maintained consistent physical activity from youth. Research on Okinawan centenarians showed they naturally engaged in extensive physical activity through agriculture and fishing. Similarly, residents of Italy's Sardinia Island maintained lifelong physical activity through mountain livestock farming. It's never too late. Are you thinking it's too late because of your age? Absolutely not. Exercise benefits begin appearing the moment you start. Even people starting exercise at 60 can experience significant strength gains and cardiovascular improvements within 2 years. However, the difference compared to those who started young is clear. What exercise should you do? Consistency is most important. Even 30 minutes, 3 times per week, consistently maintained makes a difference. Ideally, combine cardiovascular and strength training. Cardiovascular exercises like walking, jogging, and swimming improve heart and lung function. Strength exercises like squats, push-ups, and planks help maintain muscle mass and bone density. The most important message: exercise is an investment in your future. More important than immediate physique changes or weight loss is building the foundation for a healthy, vibrant life 30 or 40 years from now. Every workout you do today could become life insurance for your 80-year-old self, preventing dementia, fractures, and heart attacks. Time cannot be reversed, but you can start from this moment. Your muscle cells are waiting for you to move. Thank you for watching today. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe with notifications for more health information. Here's to your healthy future.